Unsafe food is usually a result of some form of contamination. There are three main types of contaminants. We have biological, physical, and chemical contaminants. Start off with biological contaminants. We have pathogens and we have biological toxins. Pathogens are harmful microorganisms that could cause foodborne illnesses. In the second module, we'll talk more about the different types of bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi in this category. Also biological toxins, which are poisons, usually found in mushrooms, plants, and seafood. There are also chemical contaminants. You can see in this picture here, someone is spraying, whether it be a sanitizer or a cleaning solution, they're spraying, and in the picture, directly into the food. Typically, you wouldn't spray right in the food. Instead, you would be spraying the countertop, and it would waft or it just kind of mist right into the food. Also cookware that you use, having high acidity drinks like a lemonade in a pewter pitcher, or cooking like a lasagna in the oven with aluminum foil over the top of it. Actually melts that foil down onto the lasagna. That is toxic, so make sure you throw that away. There's various ways that chemicals can contaminate your food product. The third category are physical contaminants. This is anything foreign that you find in your food. I'm sure we've all had something nasty like a Band-Aid or a fingernail or a fly sometime in our life in our food. You're fortunate if you haven't, but for most of us we have experienced it in all of these contaminants, whether it's a natural object like a fish bone in your fillet, even glass, anything can definitely cause injury and sometimes a foodborne illness. So we'll talk about all these contaminants in the chapters to come, but again, there's many ways that your food can become unsafe, and it's important to recognize all of these ways that it can be contaminated.